This is a coral sand 1957 E-Series Thunderbird with documentation. She's quite rare. The reports show that only 0.02% of all 1957 Thunderbirds originally came coral sand. This car is also reported by the eBird registry to be one of only 4 coral sands E-Series known to exist. And here's the big line, with documentation. That's the big difference, is the documentation. She's not a white car painted coral sand or something of that sort. So she's more rare than most F-Series supercharged Thunderbirds. She comes with both tops, which includes a coral sand porthole hardtop and a tan canvas replacement top. She's fully loaded with every power accessory available from Ford in 1957. She's the 312 271 horsepower Thunderbird V8, correct factory dual 4-barrel carburation, fresh show chrome dual air cleaner, correct garbage can filter, and with the Ford-O-Matic 3-speed automatic transmission, Ford's Masterguide power steering, Swift-Sure power brakes, 4-way power seats, power windows, Thunderbird Air Conditioning, Mentor's cooling package, electric cooling fan, 6-bladed fan. Odometer is 00,405 miles. Alternator charging system upgrade, the largemouth thermostat, the real Thunderbird wire wheels with radial wide white walls, Ford engine dress-up kit, and the Ford windshield washer system, 1957 Ford accessory seat belts, Ford's factory backup light system, 1957 Ford factory invoice for documentation proving she's a real E-Series from the factory in coral sand. Here's another terribly important thing, owned in New Mexico and Fort Worth, Texas. Both of them are southwest low humidity climates, a rare Thunderbird with documentation.